What really drew me to Summit Sotheby's International Realty is just the professionalism and honestly the network of people that we have access to. And knowing that if I'm referring a client that they're really going to be taken care of in the best possible way. I'm Sarah McNamara. I'm an associate broker with Summit Sotheby's International Realty. I've been in real estate since 2015. Prior to that, I was in education. I was a teacher and a counselor. I think there's a good crossover between education and real estate. I think there's really an opportunity for me to educate the clients throughout the process if they're buying or selling, especially for the first time. So I do have several investment properties that we manage out of state, and I also do have an Airbnb, so kind of got the real estate investing bug, and it's really exciting. So I do also can really focus in on numbers and really focus in on if there's an investor that's looking for a property, kind of the pros and cons of that specific property they're looking at and why it would be good for them. I really do like to utilize the Sotheby's International Realty Network. I really think that whether you're moving into Utah or moving out, I can definitely help on either side. So I moved to Salt Lake City in 2012 and remember the process of trying to figure everything out, helping people to figure out the city and figure out the grid lines and showing them where the local coffee shops are, showing them where all the good restaurants are and things like that around town is really fun for me. I'd really consider myself an expert in both Salt Lake County and Utah County. I do live in Lehi and enjoy living up in the mountains there, but a lot of my business is based here in Salt Lake, so having both markets and really honing in on both markets I do think gives me an advantage for anyone that's looking in either spot. So when my husband and I moved here to Utah, it really was to enjoy the outdoors. And so we love to hike with our dog. We love to golf. We love to get out and snowboard and mountain bike and do all the things that having such close mountain access has for us. One of my favorite places here in Utah is Sundance. I was initially introduced to Sundance when I first came out here to kind of figure out if I was going to move out here or not, and just kind of fell in love with that whole canyon, and the valley there is really beautiful. Summit Sotheby's International Realty's marketing team really does provide great exposure for my clients by leveraging our global network and innovative digital strategies. Our creative team really produces great marketing materials, from professional photography to video tours and really exceptional print and online campaigns that really ensures that my clients' listings stand out. Some advantages that clients would get from working with me is that I really am there for them and have their best interest at heart throughout the entire transaction. And even thereafter, I've become friends with a lot of my clients. And so really building those relationships and making sure I really understand their lifestyle and understand what's going to best fit their next move, whether it's buying or selling, is really important. And I really try to focus in on that.